That's going to be momentum. That's when the London traders are coming in. That's when they're getting their orders. 9 to 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Options expiration. You've got customer orders coming in on the East Coast. Banks are opening up. You got stuff going on. 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. You got the London traders going home. Actually, they're not going home. They're going to the pub. They're going to get their pint for the night. So they're squaring up the positions. Why make it hard on yourself? All you've got to be able to do is make sure that you can identify what's going on in the market. Is it range trading? Is it trend trading? If it's range-bound trading, is the market near support? Is it near resistance? You've got the same thing happening over here. The market's near support. If it's near support, and I expect it to trade up to resistance, all I've got to do is wait for one of these times, 4 a.m., 9 to 10 a.m., or 11:30 a.m., and see if I can get momentum going. Take a small amount of risk and let the probabilities take care of themselves. Look for patterns like the Little Dipper, the 3-bar reversal. All of those are going to help you to make sure that you're keeping on track and that you're not just throwing money at the marketplace. Listen, the market can be like Las Vegas to some people. And it really can have the lure and the attraction of instant riches because we've seen it happen. We've heard it happen. Oh, this guy got into the marketplace and, he made $1 million starting, Dan Zenger made, $20 million with, I think, a $10,000 account. Well, people fail to remember that it was in the biggest bull market in history, and you don't have to confuse brains with the bull market. That's not taking anything away from Dan, but you've also got to realize that it was only possible because of the huge bull market. It's not that those types of returns are available all of the time. Okay, so yes, it's possible, but you can only make what's available in the marketplace at the time. So you can see here the market, this is 4 or 5 o'clock Eastern Time, coming into 7, 8, here's 9 o'clock. What happens? Volatility picks up, the market's breaking through a resistance level, comes back up, forms a very shallow Little Dipper, eventually completes the Little Dipper, and then starts its move back up. But what happens? Momentum dies off. What does that mean? I'm not going to stick around. I'm not going to wait for the market to just go nowhere and then take me out. If I'm trying to get in, if I see that the market's down here at support, this is the last example I'm going to give, and then we're going to call it a night. If I see that the market is down near support, and I have a resistance area, we're coming into 7, 8, here's 9 o'clock, I see momentum, I take the trade as the market breaks above resistance. You can see that this one actually did go to just about 26 pips here. But then I see that the market comes right back down to my entry point. I'm not going to wait around for this thing to come down here and take me out. I'm gone. There's no momentum there. There's no reason to stick around unless you're really waiting for the market to come all the way back up here to get to the other side of the resistance line. And then you've got no choice but to stick it out. For me, I'd rather just take the quick 20 pips when the market comes back down here, get out on the rest and basically break even, maybe a little bit of profit, and wait to see what happens. The market actually forms another triangle pattern here, breaks to the downside, there's an opportunity to trade right there. Okay, it's getting experience and understanding what's going on inside of the moves for the marketplace. So, is it possible to make $200 to $300 a day with just a few $1,000s in the account? Yes, it is. But as you can see from this, you've got to have the skills in place to do it with. Otherwise, it's exceedingly risky, not just because of the money in the account, but because the trader doesn't have the skills to exploit what's going on.